Let's talk about the ordereddict in Python and understand its need. Let's first import it from the collections module. Now D is an ordereddict. Let's add values. D is now this dictionary. We can move a key value pair to the end to change the order. We can also reassign values. E now has the value 7. Let's try popping an item and reassigning it. It was added to the end of the dictionary. Or delete a pair from the end. Let's do a problem on this. Delicious diners, you have joined as assistant to the head chef in a new restaurant. Write a function that takes a list of orders with the items and their quantities and informs the chef of the quantity to prepare for each item ordered. Make sure to do this in the order of orders received. This is our function. It takes a list of orders. We create an empty ordereddict, new orders. Now for each item and its quantity in orders, if not already in it, add a key value pair to new orders. Otherwise, just increment the quantity. Now for each item and quantity in the ordereddict, print it. So diners have ordered for 3 deviled eggs and 1 ham. But here, ham has been ordered first, so must be delivered first.